Hi, brothers and sisters. Okay, I am looking forward to reading your change essays. 10 of you turned them in so far, and I'm sure there's going to be more that are going to turn them in today and tomorrow. So I hope you're enjoying conference also. That is an awesome thing to be able to be doing. Okay, so let's talk about our next assignment then. The next assignment is going to go from this week, the 4th week, through the 7th week. So it's 4 weeks, and it's rhetorical analysis. This is really kind of fun. I enjoy it. So you're going to be talking about different arguments, like in the media or wherever. They're so ubiquitous, means they're all over the place. In our lives, we hardly even notice them. But you need to know how to do a rhetorical analysis so you can actually figure out if you are being persuaded in a way you don't want to be. So that's one of the reasons why you're going to do it. So we're going to talk about the whole thing. You're going to select one of the speeches that's here on this approved list of speeches. And there are many really good ones. Look at all these different ones you have to choose from. I would say pick somebody that you maybe admire and look at that one. Don't try to read them all. Yeah, please don't try to read them all. But you're going to maybe just pick one or two and read which ones you really think would be good, and then read it through. And just, if you really like it, you're going to be spending 4 weeks with it. So make sure that you like it well enough. Okay. So you're going to pick one of those. You've got lots of choices. And then after that, after you pick which one you're going to do, then that's what you're going to do this week. And then weeks 5 through 7, you're going to draft your analysis. Week 6 or 5, but week 6 is you're going to format your paper. You're going to be doing more of the APA formatting. And then 7, you're going to revise. And this kind of a friendly advice and a warning, although you may at first think there's not enough to the speech to write about, you'll actually need to focus your analysis to make it cohesive. Try focusing on 3, possibly 4 interesting attributes of the author's rhetoric as you plan your analysis. Don't try to discuss everything you see in the speech. And remember, this is very important. Make sure you analyze the speech, not summarize it. That's an entirely different thing. You may occasionally need to refer to a paragraph, but you're not going to be summarizing it. Okay, and then you'll learn more of these things as you go. Okay, and so select a famous speech, complete a worksheet. Okay, study the context. Submit your completed worksheet by the end of the week. So that's what you're doing this week. Let's go ahead and go to the next thing. And let's take just one step at a time. This week you're going to be learning a little bit about what the rhetorical analysis is. And it's very good. And this is a graded quiz. I've looked at it, and if you just read the essay, they just want to make sure that you understand the assignment. That's all that is. This is an awesome video. It's 23 minutes. In fact, I am going to use it in my other school's 101 class. That is an absolutely great one. And so you're going to notice how many of the same rhetorical appeals he highlights as he analyzes his speech and complete the quiz. This one's a little bit harder. You might have to go back and watch it again or look at the transcript. There is the transcript here. So I would suggest maybe you download it to answer the questions on that. But it is just a really great video. Okay, you're going to, this one's a cute little video too. It's how to introduce sources, the 3 I's. And that one is very interesting also. It's that you're gonna that it's only 4 minutes, but it is cute and it tells you it's what's called embedding in the text. That's what the formal word is, but you introduce it, then you have it, and then you talk about it. It gives you 3 eyes. And then this is a very long how to use rhetoric to get what you want. Okay, this one isn't the one that's really long. Well, the backpacks and briefcases is. So this is telling you how to use rhetoric to get what you want. This is annotation tips to make sure that you understand how to annotate things. And then this is backpacks versus briefcases, steps toward rhetorical analysis that you are going to be doing an annotation of. And it is quite long, and so give yourself some time to do that and to annotate it. It's worth 10 points. So you're going to highlight and mark it. You're going to ask thoughtful questions. You know how to do it now. Ask thoughtful questions in the margin. And comments that makes at least 2 insightful comments on each page. That's what you're going to do. It's a very interesting article, and I think you'll enjoy it. I had a lot of comments to make on it. And that's okay. You're going to, all right. This is, you're going to select a speech and complete a worksheet. So this, you're going to take the approved, go look at the approved list, look at the analysis essay that you're going to do, and then this here, the speech context worksheet, that is what you're going to be filling out. And it's going to be worth 20 points. So you're going to choose a speech. You're going to demonstrate that you read the speech thoughtfully. You're going to talk about the good analysis skills. You're going to demonstrate good analysis skills based on your accurate responses in the rhetorical situation section of the worksheet. You're going to look for logos, pathos, and ethos. All right. I think, yeah, let's see. All right, I think that is it. Yep. At week 5, we're not gonna do that. So that's what you have this week. You're gonna learn about rhetoric. I don't know if any of you have heard about logos, pathos, and ethos, but that's what you're going to be learning about. So enjoy, brothers and sisters, and I will get back to you. And if you have any questions, all you have to do is just send me an email over here in the inbox, and I will answer your questions. If you want to do a Zoom, if you don't understand something and you want to do a Zoom, I will do that. So, okay, I am doing this now in between morning session and afternoon session of General Conference. So I am looking forward to listening to General Conference again in an hour. And I hope you guys are able to do so and are really gaining a lot from what you're reading and from what you're watching. Okay, brothers and sisters, remember, Heavenly Father wants you to succeed, and He will do anything that He can to help you, and so will I. Have a good week.